Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today on Friday the 13th. September Friday the 13th, 2024. We have here 3 regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3 stars, the 4 stars Sudoku, and the killer Sudoku. We have also 7 extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. In addition, the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve not now, but in the evening. Now I will solve these 3 regular puzzles. And what's the news of today? Well, tourists or civilians, spacemen, spacemen, civilian spaceman, Isaacman. He must be a billionaire because he need to pay the trip to space. All right. First puzzle. The 3 stars Sudoku. This will be a number 9 let me see, 9 to 9266. Yeah, 9266. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25. This one has 1 digit more. Should be at 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. 1, yes. 1, 1. Okay, we have a 2 in this row, 2 in the second row, so in the third row the only place left with 2. Shoot me down. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 1. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 in these 3 boxes. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column. 1 in the column next. On that column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So on that row, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. Another 1 in that column, no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. And then I cannot continue with 1. How about the 2 in this column, 2 in the last column, so the column between. The only place left for the 2 should be there. 6. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing. 3, 6, 8, 3, 6, 8, 3, 6, 8, 3, 6, 8. And look, we have 3 in this row. No 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square should be there. So the 6 and 8 are left. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row, so in the third row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. Then, let me see. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so it'll come next. The only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 3 and 4. Okay, and now 5, 5, 5, 5, 5 in this row, third row, 5 in the second row. So third row, the only place left for the 5 should be there, and I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes and there. Need a 1 there, okay. How about 6 in this row, third row, 6 in the second row. So third row, first row, the only 3 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 in the middle column, no 6 there. The only place left for the 6 should be there. 5 missing numbers in the first row. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 3 marks. So the 9 in the first row could be here, could be there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should there. Then let me see. 3. Okay, what are these 3 missing numbers? In the third row for the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3, 4, 8. And look, we have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 in the column next, no 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be there. So the 4 and the 8 are left. 1 digit left in this big square. I believe it's 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing here. How about these 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 3, 4, 8. 3, 4, 8. And look, we have 3 and a 4 in this column. Middle column, no 3 and 4 in this box. 3 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left should be the 8. So here should be also the 3 and the 4 are left. Okay. Then 6 in this column, 6 in the column next, on last column. The only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 5, 5. Here also 3 and a 4 are left. Need a 6 here, okay. Need a 6 there, okay. Need a 1. Come on, come on, come on. Need a 9 there. Need a 9 here. Need a 9 there. Need an 8 there. Here, 2 numbers left, the 4 and 8. Okay. Come on, come on, come on, come on. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the last row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 1 box left now in the middle column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above, so that row, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the first column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the first column, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 9. Can be 7. 7, 7, 4, 7, and 9. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Let me think. 3, 6, 5, 3, 6, 5, and a 1. Yeah. Need an 8 here. 2, 3, 4, 8, and a 9. Well, 8 and then 9 could be everywhere. Well, I'm stuck here. Need a 5. 1, 2, 3. Need a 4 here. Come on. Need a 9. 3, 2. I'm really stuck. 6, need an 8. 571. Come on, come on, come on. 341 and 8 is missing here. 1 and 8. Well, the 1 should be here. We have a 1 here. The 8 we have here, so the 8 should be there. 1, 8, 3 and a 4. 1, 3, 8 and a 4. Okay. Well, these 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7 is missing. 4, 7 and a 9. 4, 7 and 9. 4, 7 and 9. We have a 7 here. So the 7 could be here, could be there. 7 in one of those two boxes in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 3 places left. The 7 should be here, or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7. There's 7 could be here, could be there. One of the missing number in this big square is number 7. We have a 7 in the first column, no 7 in these 3 boxes. We have 7 in the last row, no 7 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left with 7 in this big square. Should be there. Mark those 2 boxes early with a 7. We have a 7 in the third column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 1, 2, 3. The 8, the 9, and the 4 is missing. 8, 9, and 4. Cannot fill this yet. 7, 7. 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left is 7 should be there. Mark those 2 boxes early with a 7. We have a 7 in the last column, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. So 2 numbers left. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and 9, 4 and 9. 4, 8, 9, 4, 8, 9. And look, 4, 8, 9. We have a 4 and a 9 in this row. So cannot be 4 and a 9. So 1 digit left should be the 8. 4 or an 8. We have an 8 here, so this box should be a 4. 4 or 9. We have a 4 here, so this box should be a 9. 1 box left in this row for number 4 then. One of the missing number in this big square is number 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 in these 3 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. One of the missing number in this big square is number 4. We have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, no 4 there. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. So the 8 could be here, could be there. 4, 8, and then need a 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left, 9 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 8, so the 8 goes there. 3 or a 4, we have a 4 here, so this box should be a 3. 3 or a 4, we have a 3 there, so this box should be a 4. 3 or 4, we have a 4 there, so this box should be a 3. 3 or 4 in this row, so we have a 3 already, so this box should be a 4. 4 and 8, we have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes early with 8. We have 8 in this last row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 1 box left in this row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 6 in this column, 6 in the second column, so the third column alone needs 2 places left. The 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 1 box left in this row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing here. 5 in this column, 5 in the second column, so the third column, the only place left the 5 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 4 and 9, 4 and 9. We have a 4 in the last row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Then, let me see. How about a 9 in this column? 9 in the third column, so the column between. The second column, the only place left 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in this third column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 1 goes there. 1 in this column, third column, 1 in the second column, so the first column, the only place left with 1 should be there. And I've eliminated the 8, so the 8 goes there. Final number in this big square for number, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. Correct. Finished in 40 minutes. Well, We solve it again. We solve it again. 3 stars. No. 2 stars. No. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 15 minutes. So I'm well pleased with time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll see you in a minute with the other 2 regular puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.